So hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of the project idea series in Android in CodersArts. So in this video, we are going to discuss a new project idea which is known as the local event finder app. So we are going to connecting you and your community with your local events so that you can able to handle all the events which is happening locally in your area, in your town, in your city. So by locally you can handle these. You are able to connect with these events. So let's move to the introduction part. So in introduction we can see I have given the project name according to my need is local event finder app. And what is the objective of creating these apps? Basically, objective of creating these apps to connect the user with the local events based on their interest and locations, making it easy to discover, explore, and attend the events in their areas. So the who are the target users here? So event enthusiasts and tourist, community member, and anyone who is looking to explore the local happenings. So is are the basic target user that is going to use our application. So let's move to the next part. What is the problem statement in the current project and or in the current situation? So the current challenge is difficulty to finding the local events that match with the personal interest, and secondly that lack of centralized platform for discovering the events in the area, and the third one inconvenience to purchasing the tickets and the accessing event details. So what is the proposed solution that we have provided in our application? In this application we are going to develop the local event finder app to serve the comprehensive platform for discovering and engaging the local events, offering the personalized recommendation and easy ticket purchasing and the user reviews. So what is the key feature that we are going to provide in our application is the first, we are going to develop a event discovery and the search filter. We can use the search by date. We can search by all the dates like happening today, this weekend, or on a specific date. We can add the filter of that date feature. And secondly that we are going to use the search by category: music, arts, sports, tech, food and festival, etc. Search by distance, and event are near the users and the current location on a specified area. And secondly we are going to do a personalized recommendation, so tailored event suggestion based on the preferences and the past activities. And secondly we are going to provide the push notification for the upcoming events and the matches user interest. Third one, we are going to provide the event detail and the reviews. So detailed information about the events including date, time, location and description. And secondly, we are going to provide the user reviews and the rating for provide the insight recommendation. Fourth one, we are going to add the favorite for the local database setup and ticketing as well. Ability to set the save the favorite events for the easy access and the reminder. And in-app ticketing purchases, secure payment option. And the fifth, basically social features: share this event with the friends with via social media and the messaging app, connect with the other attendees through a discussion forum or a chat feature. So these are the basic key feature that we are going to provide in our application in this idea. So what is the implementation plan? Basically, first of all we have to create the UI UX design and design the intuitive and usually appealing of the interfaces focused on the easy navigation and user engagement, ensure the accessibility features for the diverse user base. And secondly, we have a backend team as well, so we are going to create the backend for it, and we are going to develop the robust backend to managing event listing, user data, transaction processing. We can going to use the cloud services for real-time updates and the synchronization. And then after we are going to develop the front end, we are going to implement the front end using the Android SDK, Kotlin, integrating the search feature like event details and ticketing things. And secondly, we are going to create the event database integration. We are going to integrate the event database APIs provided by the comprehensive event listing, or we are going to allow event organization to submit and manage their event directly through the app. And the last but not the least, we are going to conduct a testing for the functionality, usability and security. And finally we are going to deploy our application on the Play Store according to our need, or we are just using the signed APK for testing and provide in our college and or any other project. So what is the benefit of creating this application? The benefit is basically for users and discover and engage the local events and effortlessly access all the detailed event and information and all. So and secondly, the for event organization reach to the wider audience, like the event organizer is going to be reached to the large number of audience, manage event listing and increase the ticket sales. Fourth, the future enhancement is we are going to integrate the public transportation and navigation to services to easy event access. And secondly, we are going to use the AR technology to event for the virtual event previews and experiences. And third one, for we are going to participate with the local businesses, exclusive deals, and the discount for the event attendees. So thank you. So if you wanted to continue with this idea, or you have any other idea, so you can just drop a mail at contact@codersarts.com. So if you need any further assistance in any assignment or coding period, so you can also drop a mail on. We are always here to help you. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.